So the question we're asking in this video is, what's it going to take to reach everyone in my area with the gospel? So we know this is God's heart from his word, but specifically if we look at a text in Habakkuk 2:14, we can see it's a promise that it says in this passage, the knowledge of the glory of the Lord will cover the earth as water covers the sea. So the knowledge of the glory of the Lord will cover your area as water covers the sea. So for today, we're going to look at New York City as an example, but you can do the same exact thing with your area, your city, state, county, wherever you have a burden for. And so, for example, New York City is about 8.5 million people, if you Google it. And the goal is, our goal, we could say, is 10%, to make 10% of this population disciples. Why 10%? Because as researchers have studied, that if 10% of a society adopts an idea, then the whole society knows what this idea is. And so if we look at 10%, that means it's 850,000 disciples. So if we make our plan, let's say our plan is to we have a group of people, we'll say 50, group of 50 people, and we say every disciple is going to try our very best to make 2 disciples every year and teach those 2 disciples to make 2 disciples every year. And so what I've done here is I've put math to figure out, okay, then how long is that going to take? And so we have our goal here, 850,000. What I've done is just divided by 2 until I got to 50, about 50. And then if we go through this, we skip 1 because it's 2 every year. So every 6 months, it's doubles. So we skip 1, we get 1 year, skip another, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. At 7 years, that makes 850,000 disciples, with just 50 simple people devoting themselves to a simple vision to make 2 disciples every year and teach those 2 disciples to make 2 disciples every year.